ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो येनाक्षरसभाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः We are seeing Srilinga Shatranta, Srilinga Rupam. You see the chart. I've added one more line based on the chart. 1, 4, 6, 10 for Srilinga Rupam, Ni Pratyaya follows, Shatru will get Num. For 1, 4, 10 is a must. For 6th is Gana is optional. And for Akaranta Dhatu also. So other Gana Akaranta Dhatu we need not consider. But second Gana we need to consider. Why other Gana we need not consider? Because Gana Vikrana will walk in. So other than 1, 4, 6, there are no Adanta, Adantanga possible. Adantanga because of the Gana Vikrana. I hope you are following what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
Dhatu plus Shap, or Dhatu plus Shan, or Dhatu plus Sha. So that is the Anga with regard to Tip Pratyas, or Shatru Pratyaya, whatever it is, Adantanga. Other Gana Vikrana, you have got Shnu, Shna, etc., ending with other than Akara. And for second, third conjugation, what about third conjugation? Third conjugation also we cannot take. Why? Because it is Abhyastha. For Abhyastha, anyway, it will not come. That is why third conjugation and Savandhatu second conjugation, no num possible, separately given. The third conjugation, we have Akaranta Dhatu. We have many Akaranta Dhatu. Da Dhatu is there. Many Akaranta Dhatus are there in third conjugation. We don't consider. Why? Because they enjoy the Sanya Abhyastha, Anga enjoys the Sanya Abhyastha. Therefore, Abhyastha Anga will not get num. That we know, right? Well, therefore, only second Gana is possible. Second Gana Akaranta Dhatu. Second Gana Dhatu also, Gana Vikrana will come, but it will become look, goes away, disappears. Adarshanam Bhavati. So therefore, second Gana Akaranta Dhatu. That is why Ya Dhatu, as one example, in our updated notes, I have added more Dhatus also, which we saw in the last class. Not last class, even before that. Second Gana Akaranta Dhatu. here, I think, before. Many akaranta, second gana akaranta dhatus are listed. But also you can, this is a updated summary that we can see. These are some of the akaranta dhatus. I think almost all akaranta dhatus of the second conjugation covered. So there we will have two forms. Okay, I think that must be clear. Read the summary, you will understand. From the perspective of anabhyasta, for 1, 4, 6, 10, adantanga, that is followed by this shatra, will get num. Shatra will get num for 1, 4, 10. First, an anabhyasta, the condition is there. Why we say anabhyasta? Because abhyasta will not get num. To get num, it should be anabhyasta. Anabhyasta, 1, 4, 6, and anabhyasta. In fact, all are anabhyasta except 3 and 7 dhatus of the second conjugation. Therefore, anabhyasta. Anabhyasta 6. We need not mention anabhyasta because we are classifying abhyasta, anabhyasta, therefore anabhyasta. 6 is anabhyasta only always. Okay. There we have optional num for the shatra, which follows the adantanga. Adantanga means the anga here must be ending with akara. That is because of the gana vikarana. So num is optional. Then from the perspective of anabhyasta for the akara and the dhatus, so 10 gana. Other gana we need not consider, as I told you. Then shatra will get num, which is an option. Therefore, we'll have two forms. The second gana, akara and the dhatus, almost all the dhatus we have seen listed. The forms are given. Then anabhyasta for the other conjugation. Other conjugation anabhyasta will get num. No. Why? Because they are not adantanga. Anadantanga. So for anabhyasta anadantanga, shatra will not get num. This is for other conjugations. All the other second conjugation, other dhatus, the second conjugation. Second conjugation, akara dhatu you should not consider. And dhatu which enjoy abhyasta we cannot consider. And third conjugation we cannot consider. And the fifth gana, seventh gana, eighth gana, ninth gana, all those are because they are anadanta, anabhyasta. Then abhyasta, when we say third conjugation, the seven dhatus. Anyway, it will not get no. So the D and E are said, it will not get the no. So no num for D and E. Okay, it is a little more elaborate, this classification. But if you understand, it is very good. And that alone is summarized in this chart. Simple summary, you can see. 1, 4, 10, num is submerged in the Pratipadikam, Srilinga Pratipadikam. And for sixth, it's an option. For second conjugation, akara dhatus, there's an option of num. And for other conjugation, here they are not abhyasta, anabhyasta, and they are not adantanga, therefore no num. And for abhyasta anyway, no num. Abhyasta for the third, which is first example, and seven dhatus of the second conjugation, no num. This is what Srilinga and Srilinga is. So Pullinga need to remember Srilinga. That's why in the beginning itself I said little difficult, need to remember. If you have the summary, if you understand the summary, it's good. Now let us continue the exercise. Srilinga we are doing. It is Srilinga is simple. I mean, once you know this is simple. Just we'll do this simple exercise and then we'll go to Napumsakalinga, if possible today. Mata Gayati Pushpani Chinoti. Which is Mukhya Kriya. Mukhya Kriya is that will be the thing.
Gayati. Pushpani Chinoti.
Pushpani Chinoti Api Gayati, which is Mukhya Kriya.
And Samaya Chinoti. So it can be either.
She sings. Actually, Gayati should be the Mukhya Kriya. Anyway, he has given the other way. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Whichever you want to take Mukhya Kriya, you take.
Okay.
Because she also does, when we say that is secondary sense, right? In fact, I think before examples also it was like that only.
Yes.
I don't know why here is given this way. Like here, you see. So Nrityati is Mukhya Kriya, Gayati is this is secondary action, that is parallel action. So that which generally before api whatever comes, that will be a parallel action. Mukhya Kriya will be in Tinganta Rupam, Nrityati. But anyway, here he has given in Ulta, otherwise doesn't matter. So Mata Gayati, anyway you can take it. All right, let us let us take like this. An example, since we are going to do example. That which is with api, that will be we put that in Shatranta. And that which is the sentence that we keep as a Kriya Padam. Shunoti Janati will be the Mukhya Kriya Padam. And Patati, etc., that we can convert it to a Shatranta Rupam. If that is so, now here will be Mata Gayati, Pushpani, that Shinoti will be in Shatranta Rupam, not as it is seen it's here. What is the Shatranta Rupam of Shinoti? Trilinga.
Chinvanti.
Dhatu is Chinu. So Chi. Dhatu is Chi. Chi plus Shnu plus, yes, Dhatu is Chinvati. Chinvati, right? So Chinvati, Pushpani Chinvati, Mata Gayati. I hope you understand how with the Chinvati comes, right? Chi plus, Shnu plus, Shatra plus, Neep. Chi plus no Chinu. Chinu plus Shatra, who will be replaced by? Only when it is preceded by a conjunct, it will be replaced by Uv. Here it is not. Therefore, just Makara. Chinva, Chinvat. Chinvat plus E, Chinvati. You want me to type?
Okay, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Chinvati, how we get Chinvati? This is Chidatu, fifth conjugation. Now, you answer, fifth conjugation. It is Abhyasta or Anabhyasta? Anga? Anabhyasta. Therefore, no num at all. Number one, right? Anabhyasta. Adantanga or another. When we say Anabhyasta, then, sorry. So, Kshamita, I don't know. Anabhyasta. Anabhyasta means then question comes, num is possible. Abhyasta means no num, right? Anabhyasta means the question of num will come or not comes. Now, see the other thing. Adanta or anadanta?
Anadanta.
Therefore, not num, simple. Abhyasta condition is not there. Therefore, we cannot conclude num will not come. Because Anabhyasta, Adantanga will get num. Therefore, Adanta or Anadanta we have to find out. It is Anadanta. Obviously, Anadanta, Chi plus, Shnu plus, Shatra, followed by Need. When I say Anga means with regard to the Pratyaya. Now, Anadanta, etc., we say with regard to Shatra Pratyaya. Please note. Anga is a relative term. Chi is the Anga for Shnu. Chi plus Shnu is the Anga for Shatra. And this whole thing becomes the Anga for this. So like that. So when we say Anga, Adanta Anga means with regard to this Tinganta or Shatra. Right? So Chi plus no Chinu. So Chinu is, it is not Abhyasta, Anabhyasta and Anadanta. Content of Shatra is Atha, content of Neep is E. Now, when following the Anabhyasta, Anadantanga, because it's Anabhyasta, then question of Num comes or not rises. And it is Anadanta, therefore no Num. Simple. So take one condition and remove. Now U plus A, what's on the U is preceded by a non-conjunct. it is preceded by a conjunct, then U will come. Non-conjunct, therefore it's simple N.
Yes,
Chinvat. Actually, it is not N Sandhi. Replacement of Ukara by Vakara, it is Angakarya, in fact. Anyway, you can say N Sandhi. It's N Adesha comes. Chinvati is a Rupam. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Chinvati, referring to the person, the Strilinga, the woman, the Strilinga, not only woman. You cannot say anything can be, right? Anything which is Strilinga. Chinvati. So Chinvati, Pratama Bhakti, it's Pratipadikam and it declines Chinvati, Chinvatyo, Chinvatyaha. So therefore here it will become Pushpani, Chinvati, Mata, Gayati. Right? Similarly, other sentence, Chatra Geetam Shunnoti, Patati Api. So it will be the here.
Patanti Chatra Gitam Shrunoti.
This is Anabhyastha, right? And Adanta, therefore Num.
Adanta.
About Patanti, Chatra Geetam Shunnoti. Lata Uttaram Janati, Vadati Api.
Anabhyasta Adanta.
Vadanti api.
Adanta, okay. Adanta also, whether it is sixth conjugation or not, we have to find out because we have optional. No. Patati, we know very well, familiar with that Patati. What about Vadadatu? Which conjugation? Is it sixth conjugation or first conjugation? First conjugation only. Okay.
First.
Sixth conjugation like Tudati, Likati and all sixth conjugation. See, Likati you can form, you can say sixth conjugation. You know how? How? Likati. The Kriyapadam is Likati. It cannot be first or fourth conjugation.
Lekhish.
Exactly. This is Li is E. Penultimate is Rasva Ik, which has not taken Guna. Right? Therefore, it must be sixth conjugation. Like that we can identify. Tudati, the first dhatu itself. Dhatu itself is Tud dhatu. If it is first conjugation, it would have become To.
Tod.
If it is fourth conjugation, it becomes Tudyati. But the form is Tudati only. Therefore, it must be sixth conjugation. But here, Vadati is not like that. Vadati, penultimate is not a Rasva. So therefore, it is difficult. You need to know the dhatu is first gana. Dvadigana dhatuhu iti. So, such cases are a little difficult. So, therefore, you have to note Vadati, first conjugation. This is a simple dhatu. Therefore, you must remember it as the first conjugation dhatu. Okay. What will be the Shatranta Rupam? Srilinga Shatranta Rupam. First conjugation. Vadanti Lata. Yeah, Vadanti Lata. Put that Vadanti as a qualifier to the Karta Lata. So Vadanti Lata, Uttaram Janati. Malati Gayati. Snati Api. Snati, which conjugation? Shnadatu. In fact, we have seen this. Shnadatu. In our Akaranta, list of Akaranta, Dataha, we have added this. Snati. It cannot be third conjugation. There is no duplication. So Anabhyasta. Anabhyasta, fine. Therefore, Num, you cannot dismiss Num may come or not. We have to find out based on the Anga, the Adanta or Anadanta. If it is Adanta, it can become Anadanta, it will not come. Now the question comes. It is Adanta or Anadanta. Dhatu is Shna Dhatu. Akaranta Dhatu. Fine. Which Gana is it? Second conjugation. If it is second conjugation, for Akaranta Dhatu, we said Num will come optionally. Please see, Shna Dhatu, we have listed Snati, Asnanti, Rupadvayam Asti. This class, I think some of you didn't attend. I mean, Girija, Rajkumar, I don't know whether.
No,
last class before that. So please listen to recordings. I will explain very clearly.
Yes, Guruji.
The Akaran Dhatus of the second conjugation will get Num optionally.
Optional.
Explaining the chart, I happen to explain. Yati is there. In connection with that, I explain. And I have added also. And I sent the notes also to the group.
Yes.
No. Yeah. Snati. So now what will be the sentence?
Snanti or snati.
Nanti or snati.
Yes.
Malati
Malati
gaya.
Gayati. Next, Radhika Grinati Chalati. Chalati, which conjugation?
Chalanti.
Yes, first
Radhika.
conjugation.
First of all.
Chalanti Radhika Grinati. Tushuma Shunoti Pruchati Api. Pruchati, which conjugation? What is the dhatu?
Prach dhatu.
Which conjugation? Dhatu is prach.
Some plus.
Samprasana, when it will happen? Samprasana cannot happen when the pratyaya is pit pratyaya. When followed by the pit pratyaya. So it belongs first conjugation, then prachati must be the form. But that is not the form. It cannot be fourth conjugation because ya is not there.
Yeah.
So prach become pr. Samprasanam happens when followed by kit or ngit pratyaya. That is possible only for sixth conjugation because Gana Vikarana is sha. Sha is shit pratyaya. Apitara, apitarpit, apit. Right? Gana Vikarana is apit. Apitvat, it will be deemed to be ngit. Therefore, samprasanam happens. See the condition. Roundabout condition.
Yes.
Condition is not given straight. Prachadhatu is a samprasarana dhatu. We know, we have seen. And this samprasaranam happens for the repa here. Will happen only when it is followed by a pratyaya which is ngit or kit. When followed by kit or ngit pratyaya, samprasaranam happens first. Samprasarana dhatus. Now, if it is first conjugation, it is not possible because this is pit. Just in a fourth conjugation, not possible because there is no ya in prachati rupam. Sixth conjugation, pratyaya is shit pratyaya, yes, and it is apit. Apit will be equal to nit. Therefore, nit pratyaya follows, samprasaranam will happen. Right? So we have to narrow it down. Pakara, repa will become r, then prich plus a, pricha, prichati. Now here, Shatranta Rupam will be
Optional. Prachati or prachanti.
yes, plus sixth conjugation. Therefore, we will have Prichati or
Chanti.
Prichanti iti Rupadvayam. So therefore, Prichati atava Prichanti Sushama Shunoti. Then Vidita Roditi Gachati api.
Prachanti.
Chanti. Roditi.
Roditi. The first conjugation Gam Dhatu. Sevika Brahmati. Karyam Karoti api. What is the Kriya Padam Karoti? Dhatu?
Kruda.
Which conjugation?
Sixth.
Sixth. Sixth conjugation, where is Sha?
Sorry.
Huh? First.
No, not even.
Dhatu, important dhatu. You cannot say first, third, and all. It belongs to the eighth conjugation. Kru plus U. U is Nadadhataka Pratyaya. Kausanga Karya. In addition to that, one more thing will happen. It will become Kar plus U Karu. Not only that Akara, which is there in the Ka, that also will be replaced by Q. It's a special thing, it's a special rule. Then Kuru plus Tip. Then U you will be take followed by Tip Pratyaya, Pit Pratyaya. Therefore, U will become
Karoti.
O. Karoti. This is how Karoti comes. Please note. When we add the Ganavikarana U to Kru, two things happens. One is Kru will become Kar and that Akara of Ka. Please note. Kar plus U, right? This Akara, that A is there, will be replaced by Ukara. Ataha Utton Sutram is there. By that, this will happen. Then Repa plus U, Kuru. Then kuru plus ti. Kuru, sorry. Yeah. Not kuroti. Sumita, sorry. Here for tip pratyaya it is like this. Karoti. For not tip. For if you take taha, tas, there it will happen. Okay. And followed by a pratyaya which is so therefore here become kru become kar, then karu. Here becomes I will be replaced by u. The condition is when followed by sarvadhataka apit pratyaya. With pratyaya. Here become kurutaha. Not for kuroti. Sorry. Okay. That is not for that. Okay. There it is karoti only. There it is straight forward. Kru will become kar plus u plus tip. Kar plus u is karu plus tip will become karoti. So for regarding tip, sip and mip it is simple. Karoti, karoshi, karopi. Whereas for the other pratyas which are sarvadhataka apit pratyaya. There this special rule is there. Akara of the kar, which is because of the Angakarya kara has come, that akara of kar that will be replaced by u. Therefore, kurutaha we have kurutaha. Why we are saying this? Because here we are going to get shatranta. Shatranta is apit, right? Shatranta tip is pit, sarvadhataka pit. Shatra is sarvadhataka apit. Therefore, I took this. Now, taking this kru plus u plus shatra plus need. So therefore, here what will happen? Kru will become kar plus u karu, and ka also will become ku. Okay, because followed by a nit. Sarvadhataka pit is nit pratyaya. Nit kuru plus shatra is content is at plus e. Now, this is the shatra pratyaya. Anga is anabhyasta anadanta. Therefore, there is no question of num at all. Therefore, kuru plus do sandhi. What is sandhi? Kuruvata. Kuruvata plus e, kuruvati. Understand?
Yeah.
So, when tip pratyaya is just an example. I mean, that's not our example. Tip pratyaya is different, and thus other pratyayas in the rest of pratyaya, think pratyayas are different. Difference is this is sarvadhataka pit, others are sarvadhataka apit, and here shatra is sarvadhatakam apit. That is the connection. Okay. So kurvati. So kurvati, kurvatyau, kurvatya. Therefore the form would be karyam kurvati sevika brahmati. Eighth conjugation. Remember, important dhatu. This is eighth conjugation. Tanadigana. You have to see ro. O is there. So who has become O? Therefore, it is eighth conjugation. Kopi Krishnam Smarati. Kshiram Dogdi Api. Which conjugation? Dogdi. Dhatu is Dug Dhatu. Can it be first conjugation? Let us try. Dhatu is Dug Dhatu. If it is first conjugation, what will be the form? Will you get Dogdi?
No.
Do will become Do. Therefore, Doghati will get. That is not the root form. That is wrong. Form is, what is the form? Form is Dogdi. That becomes Gakara, becomes D. When it becomes Gakara, then something has happened, right? When it will become, when Hakara will become Gakara. Remember, we have seen in Sandhi.
Kutvam.
It is Kutvam is one thing, but not Kutvam. That is Kutvam will apply for Chogoku, but it's not Kutvam. Gatvam, yes. Gatvam. Dakara dhatu when followed by Jal, then Hakara, the Akara of the dhatu, and at the end of the dhatu will be replaced by Gakara. This is Apavada to Dhatvam. So, Hakara will become Gakara when followed by when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam, right? Therefore, there cannot be Gana Vikarana like this because content is it is not a gel letter. In fact, for that matter, any Gana Vikarana we cannot take. So it cannot be first conjugation. Third conjugation, duplication. That is not there. Fourth conjugation, yakara.
Not there.
Yakara is not a gel letter. Not possible. What about no? Fifth conjugation. That is not possible. Here, no itself is not there. And nakara is not a gel letter. So ruled out. Seventh is ruled out because it becomes in the middle of the dhatu itself. And eighth conjugation, u, that is also not a gel letter. Ninth conjugation, it is na, nakara. That is also ruled out. So it cannot be any of the conjugation. What is left out?
Second.
Because second conjugation, shab comes and shab becomes look, goes away.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is followed by, dug is followed by takara, which is a gel.
Mm-hmm.
This is the condition. Therefore, the Gana Vikarana should not be there. Condition is, when Gana Vikarana will not be there, which Gana, for which Gana? Only for second conjugation.
Second.
Therefore, and also do has become do. Therefore, it means Gana, the Anga Karya has happened. For that, the Pratyaya must be a Pit Pratyaya. Therefore, here all the conditions are fulfilled. Therefore, this dhatu belongs to second conjugation. So, do become do because of the Anga Karya, the Pittam, Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya Pare, Anga Karyam. Then Akara followed by Jal. Therefore, replace it by Gakara. Now, after that, what will happen? This is a Gakara is a Jash Anta, followed by Takara. Therefore, by Sutra, by rule, we know Jashanta when followed by Takara, that will be replaced by Dakara. Now, Gakara followed by Dakara, we can apply Jal followed by Jalam, Jashtam 2. This will be replaced by Jash letter Dogdi. That's why you get Dogdi. What will be the Dug plus Tas? Here, do will not become do because this is Sarvadhataka Apit, Nanga Karya. Therefore, here, Dug plus
Dukta.
Here will become Dug plus Das, then become Dug Daha. Dogdi Dugdaha. What about Bhagavachanam? Dug plus Anti. Angakarya, not possible because this is Apit. Dug plus Anti Dughanti. Simple. Dogdi Dugdaha Dughanti. What about the MIP? Sip. Madhyama Purusha Ekavach. Angakarya will happen.
Yes.
And this is Sip is a Jal letter. So therefore, Ghatam also will happen. Then after that,
Dogsi.
Obviously, Dhoksi. We have another rule. That is, here, do will not become do. That is Angakarya, not possible. Fine. Then, Sakara is a Jal letter. Therefore, when followed by Jal, what will happen? And I hope you remember, this is a dhatu, Dhoksi. Once after this is a dhatu having a one vowel, ending with what letter? Ekacho Basho Bash letter. And this is Bash letter. Remember that. It's little difficult to remember. That is, we have Bash letter and Bash letter. Dhatu ending with the Bash and having a Bash letter. Dhatu ending with Bash letter. What are Bash letter? What are Bash? Javai Gadadash is there. There, Ja is removed. That is Bash. Dhatu ending with the Jash, right? Sorry. Dhatu ending with the Jash letter. So all the three Pratyaharas you have to know. Dhatu ending with the Jash, there Bash will be replaced by corresponding Bash letter. This is the rule. Dhatu must end with a Jash letter. Jash is Javai Ganadash. Sorry, yeah. Yeah, the Dhatu ending with Jash letter. Now, its Bash letter will be replaced by corresponding Bash. When it will happen? At the end of the Padam or when followed by Sakara or Dva. Yes, followed by Sakara. Therefore, this Dakara, that is, which is the Bash letter. What are Bash letter? I think you know. Ja, remove it. Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Da.
Ganadash.
So, Jakara, remove it. Similarly, Bash letter is Ja, the Ja, you have to remove it. Ja, Ba, Jabai, then Ga, Da,
Dha.
Da.
Dha.
So, there, Jakara, remove it. And what are just letters? Just letter is Ja, Ba,
Yeah.
Jabai, Gadadash, Ga,
Ganadash.
Da, Da. So, the Dhatu ending with any of the just letter and having one vowel, Ekash Dhatavaha, this is Ekash, O is there. Then its Bash will be replaced by corresponding Bash letter. When followed by condition
Sakara.
is Sakara or Dva or at the end of the Padam. So rule. That is applicable here. We have seen this rule also.
Yes, Guruji.
There itself, I think we have given this form. So now the Dho will become Dho. Dakara, Alpa Prana becomes Mahaprana Dho. Then Kakara, that is a C. Okay. Then after that, what will happen? One more rule is there. After that, what will happen? This Gakara, you can apply Karicha. Sorry, that we can apply Karicha because of that becomes C. Kar letter follows. Therefore, this Gakara becomes Char letter. Then after that is in fact later. Before that, Shaktam happens because this is followed by Gakara. Gakara is two letter. Therefore, Shaktam happens. Sakara, Adesha. This is Pratyek Sakara becomes Mudane Shakara. After that, you can do the Chartam. By that, Gakara will become Kakara, then She. Then we have Dhokshi. This is the Rupam. A little complicated. Not complicated. If you understand the rule, it's simple. First is Angakarya Do become Do. Then Nakara becomes Dakara Gattam. For Dakara Vidatu, Dattam is not applied. Gattam will come. Then becomes this is fulfill the condition ending with Jesh and having Ekach followed by Sakara, and therefore here Basha also is there. Replace corresponding Bash letter, Dhog. Then after that we have the rule Shaktam will apply, Pratyek Sakara will become Mudane Shakara. Then we can apply Karicha, Gakara will become Kakara, then Dokshi iti Rupam. So Dokshi. Anyway, this is incidental. So for this is you can easily decline all the forms. Now, coming back to our form. What form? Chatranta Rupam. Therefore Duk Dhatu belongs to second conjugation. So Duk plus Shatra plus Ni. The Dhatu is Anabhyasta. Is it Adanta? No. It is Halanta Dhatu. Therefore, no Num possible, right? So now what will be the form?
Duganti.
Therefore, Duk plus, which is Duk plus At is Dugat, Dugat plus E, Dugati, right? So, therefore, Srilinge Dugati, no Num. So, Kshiram Dugati, form would be Kshiram Dugati Gopi Krishnam Smrati.
Smarate.
So, the form is Dugati. Understand? Pullinge it will be simple. Pullinga, what will be form? Duk plus At, Dugat, right?
Dugan.
Dugantau, dugantaha. Dugantam, dugan.
Duhata.
Pullinga it will be dugan, right? Dugan, Sarvanamasthane pratyaya dum will come. Dugantau, dugantaha, dugantau, dugataha iti rupam. Strilinge only dugati iti rupam. Pullinga, the num will not come only for the Abhyasta and Savandhatus. And Pullinga, we have specific condition when Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. So therefore, dugantau, dugantaha, it will be. Strilinge, Pratipadikam itself, num will come, and here it will not come. Dugati, therefore, Kshiram Dugati, Gopi Krishtam Smarati. Correct? Next one. Balika Geetam Gayati. Prinati Api. Which Gana is seeing the form of the Kriya Padam should be able to tell. Prinati. Which conjugation?
Ninth.
Ninth conjugation. Because Shna is there. Na is there. Na for the ninth conjugation. Last time class I told you, no 5, na 9.
Yeah.
You remember? Pre. So it is ninth conjugation. Preen dhatu. Rubepadi it is. Prinati, Prinite also is the form. Now, how we get pre plus Shna plus tip? What will happen? Pre plus Shna plus tip? Nothing happens. Prinati. When Shna is followed by Saradhatu Kapit Pratya, then this Na will undergo change. Now, suppose if it is thus, then what will happen? So Na will be replaced by E. When Sarvadhatuka and Aladi Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya follows, that A will be replaced by Ni, Prinitaha. When followed by Sarvadhatuka Pratyam, Apit Sarvadhatuka Pratyam, but if it begins with a vowel, then Na will drop. Like in the Bhagavachanam. Pri plus Na plus Anti. Anti is Sarvadhataka Apit Pratyaya. Fine. And Ajadi. Das is Aladi. Now this, what will happen to Na? Na will drop. That Akara will drop, not Na will drop. A will drop. Therefore, Pri, then Nakara will be there. Natam has happened. Prinanti. Prinati, Prinitaha, Prinanti. And this dhatu is Ubepadi. I just written the Pratham Purusha Parasmipadi. Ubepadi means Atmanepadi Rupam. Atmanepadi, all the pratyas are Apit only.
Apit.
So therefore, depending on whether the Aladi or Ajadi, you have to see. This is stay. This is Aladi, Sarvadhatu Kapit. What will happen now to Na, Akara?
Prinite.
Prinite. That's the form. Similarly, for Tegite, Ante. Tegite, it is Ajadi. Therefore, what will happen?
So I will drop.
A will drop. Right? Tegite. What is the form? It is not Teite. This is Te Ate. Okay. Because Ite is only for Adantanga. Okay. That also you must be knowing. Yes or no? Teite and Te, Seite Dve. That is for the Adantanga. For non-Adantanga, we have see. Adantanga, Ite, Ante. What about original? Originally, Te Ate, Ante. Not for Ite. Okay, don't say Ite then. Ite only for Adantanga. 1-4-6 only Ite. Madhyama Purusha and Pratham Purusha, Vachana. Now here Ate, it must be. So Ajadi. Now what will happen to A will drop. Therefore you will have Pri plus Nate, Prinate. That is a form. Then Bhagavachanam will be Te Ate Ante.
Prinante.
Ante or Ate. That is also question. Ante or Ate. Or Ante will come. Ante will be for Adantanga. Ate will be for Anadantanga. Okay. It is we have not seen. I'm just telling you. This you can note. Atmanepade, if it is not Adantanga, then it is not Ante, it is Ate. Ante only for 1-4-6. Other thing will be ate only. Okay, now what will have Atmanepadi? Okay, then A will drop. Therefore, you will have Prinate. This is the form. Prinite, Prinate, Prinate. Little difficult. This is Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Dhatu is Princh Dhatu. Therefore, we have forms like this. If you understand this, other forms are easily you can derive. You want to see other forms. This is Pratham Purusha. Then Madhyama Purusha. Uttama Purusha. You see. Let us do Parasmepadi. Pri plus Na plus what is the Pratyaya? Sit. So
See.
what will happen here? Sip is Pit Pratyaya. So it will be Prina Si.
See.
Na will not drop. Akara will not change of Shna. And here Madhyama Purusha, Tas.
Yes.
And here Tha. These are Apit Pratyaya.
Prinitaha.
Then what? A will become E.
E.
So Prinitaha. And here it will become
Prinitha.
Prinita. Simple. What about Atmanepadi? Pri plus Ta. What is the Pratyaya? Se, Athe,
Ante. Dve.
Dve. A is followed by Sarvadhataka Apit.
Apit pratyaya.
Therefore, Prini, Se will
Se.
become
Nisi.
preceded by E. And Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara. Therefore,
She. Prini she.
Prini, She. And here it will be Ate, Ajadi, Pratyaya.
So now
Apit
I
Pratyaya.
will drop.
Drop. Therefore, Prina,
Prinathe.
Se.
Te.
And here it will be Aladi. Therefore,
Prinitve.
here Prini, Dve. That's a
Dve.
form. Then Uttama Purusha. Parasmepadi. Mip, Vas, Mas. Mip Pratyaya, Pit Pratyaya. Therefore, Prina,
Me.
Me. Na will not change. A will not change. And here it is Vas.
Prini
What will
vaha.
have? Vini Vaha. And
Prini maha.
Vini Maha. And here it is, what is the Pratyaya?
E.
E vahe
Ye,
mahe.
Vahe,
Vahi. Mahe.
Mahe. So Ye, Ajadi. So Ajadi, Apit Pratyaya. Therefore, A will drop. Therefore, you will have Preen, Ye, Preene.
Prini.
And here, Haladi. Therefore, A will be replaced by
Prini
E.
vahe.
Preeni, Vahe. Similarly, here
Prini
also.
mahe.
Prini Mahe.
Prini mahe.
Right? This is your homework. You can try. Similarly, Dhatu is Grag Dhatu. But note, Grag Dhatu is, you cannot say Grannati. That is wrong.
Grannant.
Now, what happens there?
Samprasadam.
Exactly, this Dhatu is Samprasarana Dhatu. Therefore, when followed by Kit or Git Pratyaya, it will undergo Samprasaranam. Take this as a homework and try. Samprasarana Dhatuhu. You have to remember that Dhatu, important Dhatu. Grannati Grannitaha Rupam. How does it come? Ubhayapadi. This is also Ubhayapadi. So you can try both the form. Okay. It's Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Then any other Dhatu of this. Nya Dhatu also. Nya Dhatu also it is but Nya Dhatu Parasmepadi. Now
Janat.
Janati Janitaha. But Parasmepadi can do. Nya Dhatu. But Nya Dhatu, one special thing is there. What is that thing? Nya will be replaced by Ja when followed by Shit Pratyaya. So please note. When followed by Shit Pratyaya. And here Shit Pratyaya Shna comes. Therefore, Nya will become Ja. Whereas other Pratyaya, suppose Nishta Pratyaya, Nyataha only.
Jnatam.
Nyataha, Nyatam, Jnanam, etc. That doesn't become. Okay, this is then which other Dhatu of the fifth conjugation. Sorry, ninth conjugation. I think these two is enough. You can try the same way as I done here. Okay, now we are doing pre-dhat. This dhatu Shatranta Rupam. What will the Shatranta Rupam? Shatra being a pit. So somewhat like this. I just copy this. So 3 plus na plus
Na plus at.
Shatra plus
Ning.
ni.
Neat.
Therefore, followed by Ajadi Apit Pratyaya, Sarvadaka Apit Pratyaya. Therefore, na will become, a will become,
I will drop.
all will drop. Therefore, you will have 3 nat. Natam also I am doing. 3 nat plus e, 3 nati. This is the root.
Trinity.
Understand? So, 3 nati is a form. Now, what will be from Prinati api? Answer would be
Trinity. Trinity Balika Geetam Gayate.
Prinati Balika Geetam Gayati. Please
Geetam
note.
Gayati.
Prinati become Prinati. Okay. Some of the forms may be difficult. That is why how it is formed, how it comes. Then Tara Nidrati Patati api. Simple one.
Patanti Tara Nidrati.
Yes. Bala Roditi Ashnati api. Dhatu Ashnati. What is the Dhatu?
Ash.
Which Gana is that?
Ninth.
What mean by that?
Ninth Gana only. So this is
Ninth.
also your homework. This is simple one. No complication here. You can try. Ash means to eat.
Yes.
So Ashnati yata Prinati Prinitaha Prinanti. Ashnati
Ashnitaha Ashnanti.
Ashnitaha Ashtanti. Then
Ashtam.
Ashnasi
Ashnasni.
Ashnitaha
Ashnitaha Ashnita.
Ashnita.
Then
Ashnami Ashnivaha Ashnimaha.
simple. That's a form. You can try that also. So much. Now, what will the Shatanta Rupam? Ash plus Shna plus Chatra plus Ni. Same.
Ashnati.
Same.
Ashnati.
Yes. So I will drop for Ashnati. Ashnati. Ashnan. Pashyan Shrinvan Special Jigdaran. Ashnan. So Ashnan is pulling. Ashnan Ashtanto Ashtantaha. Ashtantam Ashtanto Ashnataha.
Ashnataha.
So pulling it will be like that. So therefore here Ashnati Bala Roditi. Okay, next one. Nati Mekhalam Badnati Nrityati api. Nrityati, which conjugation? Yeah, is
Sixth.
not I. It is fourth conjugation, no? Not
Fourth
sixth.
one.
Fourth.
Dhatu is Nrityati. Therefore, Num is
Nrityanti Nati
must.
Mekhala.
No, is
Must.
mandate.
Must. Therefore, Nrityanti Nati Mekhalam Badnati. Jyotihi, Jyoti Sakaranta Shabda. Jyotihi, Jyoti, Jyotimshi. Napumsakalinga also. But here it's a name of a person, woman. Jyotihi, possible. But the word it is Sakaranta Shabda, Napumsakalinga. And name also is Jyoti, no? So that is also is. So it has nothing to do with the it's already nothing to do with the word has nothing to do with the gender. The word has the gender. Simple. Jyotis is Napumsakalinga. So doesn't mean it should always refer to Napumsakalinga Padartha. It could be anything. Right? So Jyotihi, Jyotishi, Jyotimshi, iti Rupam. Napumsakalinga. In a compound, it can take any gender. That is different. But here, Jyotihi, the word is Napumsakalinga, but referring to a person. Okay. Dhanam dadati, vadati api. Vadati is already we have seen. First conjugation. It would be
Vadanti Jyoti.
Vadanti Jyotihi. Dhanam dadati. Jyotihi we can infer Srilinga. Why? because is vadanti is going to become
Vadati.
therefore vadati become vadanti, therefore Strilinga. Sunayana karyam karoti patati api. Sunayana sushtu nayanam. Yasyaha sa. The one who has got the
Sunayana karyam.
patanti sunayana karyam karoti. Udaharanam Udaharanuguram Shatranta Srilinge Dvivachana Bhagavachana. This is simple. Patanti, Patantyo, Patantya, only Pratama Vyakti has given. So Vadanti,
Vadantyo, Vadantyah.
Vadantyo, vadantyo.
Pachanti,
Pachanti,
Pachantyo.
No, pachantyah.
Pachantyo,
Vadadatu
Pachantyah.
first conjugation, Pachadatu first. Milanti will be Dhatu is which conjugation? You know the form, eh? Form you can tell easily. Milanti, Milantyo, Milantyaha.
Oh,
But
no.
another form also is Milati, sixth conjugation. Me has not become May, right?
May.
Therefore, which conjugation? Sixth conjugation.
Sixth.
So another form Milati, Milatyo,
Milati.
Milatyaha. Kadanti, first conjugation.
Khadantyo, Khadantyah.
Pibanti,
Pibantyo, Pibantyah.
Smaranti, Smarantyo,
Smarantyo. Smarat.
Charanti, Charantyo. All these are first conjugation. Likati is Likanti or
Likhanti.
sixth conjugation. Shrinvati is a
Shru.
Dhatu is
Shru.
Sh. Therefore, here it is Shrinvati. Which conjugation? First conjugation, but it will take special case. First conjugation Dhatu taking fifth conjugation Ganavikrana. That is the speciality of this Dhatu. Right? What is the original Dhatu? Original Dhatu is not a Shri, it is Shru. But here it becomes Shri. And Ganavikrana also. This is important. I think I taught you this, right? Anyway, I will say it again. You can note. Dhatu is originally it is Shu Dhatu. That is why we have Shrutihi, etc. Right? The words Shrutihi. But when it comes to conjugation, when you conjugate, Shu will be replaced by Shu, and the Dhatu is first conjugation. It should take Shab, but it will take Shnu. Fifth conjugation, Ganavikarna, it will take. It's a special rule for this. Now, Shi plus No plus Tit. This is Sarvadhataka Pit cannot cause Angakarya. And Shnu followed with Tit. Who can undergo Angakarya? Therefore, you will have Shi, No, the Naptam also happens, Shunoti. And if it is Tas, Shrinu, Taha, right? Now it is Shatranta Pratyaya. Shatru. Therefore, Shatra plus Me. Shi plus No plus At. What will happen? Shrinu. No is preceded. Who is preceded by? What shall I block letter? Non-conjunct. Therefore, just may who is replaced by Shinvat, Shinvat plus Ishinvati. Understand? Yata pullinge Shrinvan Shrinvanto. Pashyan Shrinvan. Pushan. Same thing. Shrinvati. Anga is Anabhyasta Anadanta Anga. Therefore, no num possible. Here, then what is this num? This is not a num. This is because of the Ganavikarna. Akara. Shunvati, Shunvatyo, Shunvatyaha. Same way. Janati is which conjugation?
Nyadhatu.
Nyadhatu, ninth conjugation. We saw just now. Janati, Janitaha, Jananti. So Janati, Janatyo, Janatyo. The form would be Nya plus, Shna plus, Shatra plus, Ni. Nya will be replaced by Ja when followed by Shit Pratyaya. It's a rule. Dhatu is originally Nya. Nya means to know Avabodhane. Ja plus, Shna plus, Shatra plus, Ni. What will happen to Nya? Nya will become Ja. Then Ja plus Shna. Shna followed by Ajari Savataka. Therefore, A will drop. Then Shatra is At, Janat. Janat plus E, Janati.
Janati.
Yes. Janati. Badnati. Badnati, which conjugation? That is also ninth conjugation. And Badnati is, that also you can take that home. It is Atmanepadi Dhatu. You can take Badhatu. Badnati. Same way. What will the form? Badnati,
Badnitah badnanti.
then
Badnasi badnitah badnitah. Badnami badnivah badnimah.
yes, simple. The Badhatu. So therefore here, Ata Jna Dhatu become Janati. Similarly, Badhatu. Bad plus Na plus Shatra plus He. So Bad will become Bad. A will be dropped. Then Na will be there. Badnata. Badnata plus E. Badnati. Right? That's what is here. Badnati. Badnatyau. Badnatyaha. Kurvati already we have done. Shaknavati. That also with the conjugation. We have seen. Like here. Only thing is there we will have U Adesha. Shak. Dhatu is a Halanta Dhatu. Here it is Ajanta Dhatu. So Shnu plus Atra. The Ukara of Shnu will be preceded by, since the Dhatu is Halanta Dhatu, and here also Nakara is there, Ukara will be preceded by a conjunct consonant. Right? When Ukara of Shnu is preceded by conjunct, then U will be replaced by U when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. We don't do Yansandi. Huh? So what will happen? Shak. You understand what I'm saying, right? Shak
Yes.
plus Takara plus U. U is preceded by what? Conjunct, right? Then preceded by conjunct and followed by Ajadi Sarvatuka Pratyaya, Yarata, Ati. That is Atu plus E, Ati. Then Ukara will be replaced by, not just Vakara, will be replaced by Ub. The rule. Therefore, we have Shaknu plus Ati, Shaknavati. Already we are, the beginning of the Shatranta itself, I explained this.
Yes.
Therefore, Shaknavati, Shaknavatyau, Shaknavatyaha. Right? That's a rupam. Gachanti, Gamdhatu, first conjugation. Gachanti, Gachantyo, Gachantyaha. Snati, we have two forms. Which conjugation?
Sixth.
No. Second conjugation, just now we saw.
Snanti.
Akaranda dhatu. Snati, Astanti.
Snanti.
Now this exercise. Bala, Pibanti, Brahmati. Pibanti, Bala, Brahmati. Pibantyau, Bale, Brahmataha. This is a practice actually. This is important. You should be able to say correctly. Bala, Pibantyaha, Balaha, Brahmati. Put the Shatranta before. Patanti, Chatra, Likati. Then Vivachanam would be.
Patantyau Chatre Likatah.
Yes. Bhagavachanam.
Patantyau Chatre
Patantyaha.
Likatah.
Patantyaha, Chatraha.
Chatraha Likanti.
Likanti. Gaika. Okay. Shunvati, Gaika, Gayati.
Gayati.
Vivachanam would be.
Shrunvatyau Gaike Gayatah.
Bhagavachanam.
Shrunvatyah Gaikaha Gayanti.
Gaikaha, Gayanti. Naike, Vadantyau, Naike, Gachataha. Ekavachanam would be.
Vadati Naika Gachati.
No, not Vadanti, not Vadati. Vadanti, Naika,
Gachati.
Gachati. Bhagavachanam.
Vadantyah Naikaha Gachanti.
Prichanti Chikitsaka Sevam Karoti.
Prichantyau Chikitsike Sevam
Kurutaha. Bhagavachanam.
Prichantyah Chikitsikaha Sevam Kurvanti.
Yes, Prichanti. Two forms are there. Then Gayantyaha Tarunyaha Gachanti.
Gayanti Taruni Gachati. Gayantyau तरुणी
तरुणी
Tarunyau.
तरुण्यौ गच्छतः
गच्छतः
असन्त्यौ छात्रे वदतः.
हसन्ति छात्रा वदति हसन्त्यः छात्राः वदन्ति.
So anybody can answer. Okay. ताः जानत्यः ताः अपि वदन्ति. Please answer anyone.
ते
They what?
दति
Right? They सा ते ताः one.
सा ते
प्रथमा
ताः
yeah सा.
सा yeah
सा
सा जानाति
जानति
not janati janati.
जानति
जानति अपि
वदति.
So you have to do work.
वदति
Practice. Janati sa api vadati. Vivachanam.
ते जानत्यौ अपि वदन्ति
Vadatah.
वदतः वदतः
Okay. Esha rudati esha patati.
एषे
There is no eshe. Huh?
एषा
एते
Ete.
एषा एते
Rudatyau.
रुदत्यौ
Rudatyau
पठतः
ete patataha. Bhagavachanam.
पठतः
एताः
एताः
रुदत्यः पठन्ति
रटन्त्यः सख्यः शृण्वन्ति.
सखी
सखी सख्यो सख्यः.
सखी सखी
रटति सखी.
रटति रटति
रटन्ति.
पठन्ति
First conjugation.
शृण्वति शृण्वति
Shrunoti. So ratanti saki
शृणोति.
शृणोति
Then ratantyau sakyau shrunvataha. Ratantyah sakyah shrunvanti. Sa krinati gacchati. Krinati sa gacchati.
ते क्रीणत्यौ
Gacchataha.
गच्छतः
Then Bhagavachanam.
ताः
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 क्रीणत्यः
क्रीणत्यौ
Krinatyah gacchन्ति.
गच्छन्ति
Bhaginyah ताडयन्त्यः वदन्ति. ताडयन्त्यः which conjugation? Dhatu.
Fifth non Guruji.
No.
ताडयन्
Which conjugation? Jyotiji. Taadayantyah.
all those
ताडी
No? Therefore,
10th
फोर्थ
tenth
गए फोर्थ
10th conjugation. Fourth will be only ya will be there. Preceded by a consonant. Here I is there. Taadai. Taad plus I. Let's find out that I. I is because of Ayadi Sandhi. Taad become Tadi. Tadi plus Shab. Tadi become Tade. Tade plus Tadai. Like Choraya. Tadayati, Tadayataha, Tadayanti. 10th conjugation it is.
ओके
Bhagini, Tadayati. No. Okay. What is the form? Pratama Ekvachanam.
भगिनी
भगिनी
ताडयति
ताडयति
ताडयन्ति
Tadayanti.
ताडयति
Num is a must.
अपि वदति
Tadayanti Bhagini Vadati.
वदति
Ekvachanam.
ताडयन्त्यौ
भगिन्यौ
भगिन्यौ वदतः
भगिन्यौ
Tadayantyau Bhaginyau
ताडयन्त्यौ
भगिन्यौ
वदत
Vadataha.
वदतः
वदतः
Matarah Archantyah Matarah Shlokam Vadanti.
माता
अर्चन्ति माता श्लोक
Yes. Shlokam
वदन्ति
Mata.
वदति
Yes.
वदति
Divachanam.
मातारौ
मातारौ
That is wrong. The difference
Matarau.
between Kartru and Matra is that Karta Kartaro Kartaraha. Mata Matarau Matara. Not
Matarau.
Matarau.
मातरौ
Therefore, archantyau
Matarau.
लोकं
lokam
वदतः
vadataha. Dhenu charantyau gacchataha. Ukaranta shabda Srilinga.
So Dhenu Rasva.
Dhenu charati.
Dhenu
Charanti.
चरन्ति
Charanti
चरन्ति
dhenuhu
गच्छति
चरन्ति
गच्छति
गच्छति
gacchati. Charanti dhenuhu gacchati. Charantyau
Dhenavah.
dhenu gacchataha. Bhagavachanam.
Dhenavah.
Antyah Dhenavah.
Antyah Dhenavah.
Charantyaha dhenavaha.
चरन्त्यः
Gachanti.
गच्छन्ति
गच्छन्ति
See, now, dhenu, charantyo dhenu gacchataha is there, right? Convert this into karmani. Charantyo dhenu gacchataha. Convert into karmani.
Gamyate.
Very good. Okay.
It's a bhave prayoga, so it will take.
Yes, gamyate is.
Dhenu Na. Dhenu.
Not dhenu na.
Dhenubhyam.
Dhenu bhyam. Yes,
Dhenu
very good.
bhyam.
Then Visheshana also you have to convert. Charanti bhyam. Like nadi
Charanti.
bhyam.
Nadibhyam.
Charanti bhyam, dhenu bhyam gamyate.
गम्यते
Similarly, ekavachanam. Dhenahu. Charanti dhenahu gacchati. What will the karmani prayoga?
Dhenu Na.
Yes, there it is. Karta is ekavachanam.
Charatya Dhenu Na.
Charantya dhenuna
Gamyate.
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 Gamyate will be there because it is bhave prayoga. Why?
No karma.
no
Karma is, but dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. Karma not mentioned. Therefore, bhave. Bhagavachanam. Charantyaha dhenavaha gachanti. It would
Dhenubhihi.
be dhenubhihi.
Charantibihi
Charantibihi.
Dhevunbhihi.
Gamyate.
Gamyate.
गम्यते
Gamyate.
Gamyate.
Okay. Just a different type. Mahilaha ratantyah mahilaha pachanti.
महिला रटन्ति पचति
Ratanti pachati.
Ratanti mahila pachanti. Then
पचति
Vivachanam.
महिले
महिला
Mahile.
महिले
Ratantyau Mahile.
रटन्त्यौ
पचतः
पचतः
So this is what the real practice is involved. Be able to spontaneously that Vivachanam of the corresponding the Shabda, whatever it is, Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. Smaranti Vriddha Vadanti. Vadati.
वृद्धे स्मरन्त्यौ वदतः
To Vriddha. So Smarantyo Vriddhe Vadataha. Bhagavachanam.
Vadatah.
वदतः
वृद्धाः
Vruddhaha.
Parantyah Vruddhaha.
वृद्धाः वदन्ति
वदन्ति
So we'll continue this exercise next class. Remind me, from 16. I need to 16.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha. Do you need this document?
yes
Yes, Ji.
Okay, I will not save it. I will send you and then I will delete on my part. You save it.
Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
Yes, Dhanyavadaha.
Guruji this last
Dhanyawad.
class you said
Updated. Yeah, the last document, Shatranta, what I said. Hello?
Yeah, Guruji.
yes, Guruji.
Yeah. What are you asking, Bhajaji?
yeah you said that we will see that dhatu pata once more
Oh, okay. I forgot to remind me. Tell me. Okay. Next class, you please remind me in the beginning itself. We will see.
yeah
Because already you know it, already taught you some it. So by seeing the Dhatu Pata, you'll be able to do it. And that will be useful for further Adhatuka Lakara or Kridantas when we see useful. Yeah. Next class we will see.
Okay, Guruji.
The next 2 classes I will be traveling, Guruji.
Okay. Enjoy your travel and watch it offline so that
Yeah,
you don't miss it.
I know. It's not the same like being in the active session.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
The next time, no
Okay.
classes. I will also be in the Shibir in Rishikesh.
What is the camp?